How's it going, guys? Colt Optics launches 3 new red dot sights and magnifier. I'm going to be reading from the firearmblog.com, so all credit to them. But Colt Electro Optics LLC announced its first family of red dot optics on June 29th, 2026, according to a press release. The Michigan-based company introduced 3 products: the MRS-1 pistol red dot, the CSQ-1 rifle red dot, and the C3X-1 3x magnifier. All 3 optics are designed, engineered, and assembled in Michigan. And the chief operating officer of Colt Optics, Dennis Finnegan, said, "At Colt Optics, we believe professional users deserve equipment they can trust when performance matters most." A very Irish last name, the chief operating officer of Colt Optics there. Now, let's talk about the MRS-1 enclosed pistol red dot. So the MRS-1 uses a closed emitter design to protect internal components from environmental contamination. The optic measures 1.85 inches in length and weighs 2 ounces, according to Colt Optics. The housing is machined from 7075 T6 aluminum. The sight features a 3 MOA dot and motion activated illumination. It uses the acro mounting footprint and co-witnesses with standard height iron sights. MRSRP on the MRS-1 is going to cost you about $428. So with shipping and taxes, perhaps somewhere close to $450. Now, it's the MRS-1, the specifications. So the magnification for this is only ×1. Its window size is 20 millimeters times 21 millimeters. It has a 10-minute auto shut off. It does have shake awake. It has unlimited eye relief, and it has a red 3 MOA dot for its dot color. Its battery type is CR2032. The daylight brightness, yes. Overall length, 47 millimeters. Again, its weight is 2 ounces. Aluminum housing material. Its button location is top mounted. Its number of day illumination settings is 8, and number of nighttime illumination settings is 4. With its adjustable value per click is 1 MOA. Its turn type is a low profile exposed. Mounting footprint is acro. Battery life is about 75,000 hours, I believe. Illumination style is just a push button, and its operational temperature is -20 Fahrenheit all the way up to 160 Fahrenheit. So there you go. Anything you need. Purged, nitrogen purged, and O-ring sealed. Waterproof is IP68, so 20 minutes for 2 hours. Now let's talk about the second sight from Colt. So this is going to be the CSQ-1 rifle red dot. So the CSQ-1 features what Colt Optics describes as one of the largest square viewing windows available on the market. The enlarged window is designed to increase field of view and target acquisition speed. The optic includes a aspheric lens designed and multi-coated optical system. It offers motion-activated illumination, dedicated night vision settings with a separate button, and a multi-reticle system. The housing uses 7075 T6 aluminum construction, just like the previous sight, and it's going to cost you about $824, so about $850 with shipping and taxes. Now, here are some of the specs for Colt Optics' new rifle red dot. So it's just 1 times magnification. Window size is 32 millimeter times 32. It has unlimited eye relief. its reticle color is red. Its battery type is CR2032. It does have daylight brightness. Its overall length is 3 inches. Its weight is 8 ounces. Battery life, middle hours is about 50,000 hours with the dot only. Number of day illumination settings is 8. Just like the previous site, and then 4 nighttime illumination settings. It's just a push button illumination style. Top mounted push button controls. And let's see here. It comes in black and coyote, which is just kind of a brown color. Shockproof, it's MILSTD shock resistant. Waterproof is about 66 feet or 2 ATM. It's purged, nitrogen purged, and O-ring sealed. About the same operational temperature. And its included mount type is cross bolt Picatinny, lower, 1.3 co-witness, and its mounting footprint is Aimpoint T2 footprint. Turn type is low profile exposed. Its adjustment value per click is 0.5 MOA, and its travel per rotation is 25 MOA. And its total internal travel, elevation and windage, is 80 MOA. And it does have shock awake, and its auto shut off is different than the first site. It's 8 hours is auto shut off. Third site to discuss, the C3X1 Magnifier. It measures 2.72 inches in length, making it one of the shortest 3 times magnifiers currently available, according to the press release. Despite its compact size, the magnifier provides 85 millimeters of eye relief, and the C3X1 is one of the shortest 3 times magnifiers currently available. Every feature had to earn its place, said John Meyer, the vice president of product development for Colt Optics, in the press release. The goal was to create optics that help shooters perform better under real-world conditions. So an ambidextrous flip-to-side mount allows quick transitions between magnified and unmagnified viewing. The magnifier includes an adjustable diopter and riser plate for compatibility with different rifle configurations. And when paired with the CSQ1, shooters can switch between close range and extended distant applications. And it's going to be costing you, for the C3X1 magnifier, about $604, and some specs that I didn't say. So its field of view is about 7.5 degrees. Its eye relief is 75 to 85 millimeters. Its optical center line is 1.54. Mount interface is MIL STD 1913 Picatinny. Mount type flip to side cross bolt. Mount torque is 45 inches per pound. Tool interface is a 1/2 inch socket head nut. Environmental rating is IP68, or 1 meter per 30 minutes. Durability standard is MIL STD 810H. Same operating temperature as the previous sites, and its weight is about 175 Gs. So the Colt MRS1, CSQ1, and C3X1 will be available through authorized retailers in the coming weeks, according to Colt Optics. This product launch represents Colt Optics' first entry into the red dot sight market. The new company previously introduced its line of LPVOs and rifle scopes, so definitely check those out if you're curious. Thank you guys very much for watching. Drop a like, as always. Type a comment down below if you're going to be picking up any of these Colt Optics. And subscribe. Make sure you ring the bell. That way you don't miss any firearm or war updates and news. And until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Take care.